Hi guys, as you can see I'm sat amongst all these birds flying around me. This isn't an aviary or something, this is literally, I'm sat in the park. I assume these guys are scooping bugs from the air because there's a lot of crickets around at the minute. But this is pretty cool, so I thought I'd just sit here for a couple of minutes. These guys are so fast, it was ridiculous. I've tried taking pictures of these guys before. It's like trying to catch a picture of a bullet. But they're so cool, I like them. Beautiful little birds. If I sit still, they should come past me because I'm not really bothering anything. Come on guys, give me, that's it. I want something straight into the camera, would be pretty cool. You're doing it, thank you. Go straight, go straight. Come on, give me one straight there. Nearly, nearly. What's so cool about these guys as well is how quick they can change direction. Yeah, because they do seem to be sometimes nearly running into each other and then change direction last second. Alright, I'm going to put my camera down for a second. See if the camera can catch something if I move out of the way.